Yes everyone, this is a re-upload video. In the first upload, I didn't had any time to add voiceover, so I am re-editing and re-uploading this video again. Since this is a tutorial video, I think voiceover might help you guys more than only subtitles. Enjoy the video. Hello sweetcorns, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you all how to create aesthetic and cute YouTube banner using Canva app. It's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial video, so buckle up. First we have to do material hunting, aka gathering all the images that you want to put on your YouTube banner. You can use your own image or go to Pinterest and download, but please don't use someone's artwork without permission. But before downloading any images, go to Google or Pinterest and search for YouTube banner templates and download one of these templates. This step is very important. Then next, download the images that you want to use. For example, to show you all, I am downloading cute cat photos. I am a huge cat person, if you all can tell already. Here as you can see on my gallery, I have already downloaded all the images that I want, and again make sure to download this template because we need these measurements. This middle part will show up on every smartphone, and I think most people watch YouTube on their smartphones, so whatever you design, try to do inside this area or design something that gonna look good on every device. Install and open Canva app. If you are using Canva for the first time, it's gonna ask you to sign up. After signing up using your Google account, click on the templates here, then tap on social media, then YouTube banner. Next, from here you can start creating your design by clicking on this plus icon or tap on the price here, then tap on free. And now all the templates you see here are free to use. You can select from one of these designs that you like and replace the name to your YouTube channel, or maybe add some message for your subscribers like I am doing here. And as you can see, I am replacing the name to Relax with Corn. This is my second YouTube channel. I mainly create it for experiments like this. After that, you can save this banner by clicking on the share option here, or you can create one design from total scratch. That's what I'm going to show you all next. Start by creating a blank project, and before starting the design, import all the images or all the files that you want to put on your banner, so that way you won't have to import images in between your design. To do that, click on the upload option here, then tap on upload files, and from the gallery here, upload all the images that you want to or might use. It's gonna take few seconds or minutes to upload. It's depend on your file size. More higher quality image will take more time, and a lower quality image will take less. Next, long press on the template image that we downloaded and drop over the blank page. Then click on this three dot option here, then tap on set image as background. Reminder guys, only this area will show up on your mobile screen, so design inside this area. Next, tap on this transparency icon over here and lower the opacity of the background. Then click on the elements option here on the left side and search for image frame with rounded corner and select from one of these frames. I will suggest you to choose 1:1 ratio frame. This one, I think this looks cute. Then adjust the frame inside this area and duplicate the frame by clicking on this duplicate icon here. Then again adjust the frame and duplicate. Repeat this process until you fill the whole area with blank frames. I don't know how to explain this more clearly, but I hope you guys are getting an idea of what I am doing. After multiple times of copying the frames and positioning them in a straight line, I am going to group them together so I can move and resize them easily without trouble. Next part is really hard to explain by words, so just follow what I am doing. Because I need more similar sized frames to fill this area, so I'm gonna duplicate the whole frame group and ungroup them first, then again adjust the frame. Do as I am showing here. Also, by chance if you do any mistakes, Don't worry, you can undo that by clicking on this undo button here. Next, delete these extra frames. Again, group these frames together and adjust the size. I added 10 frames, so this middle 6 frames will show up on the mobile screen. You can add more frames by making them smaller. Next, go to uploads again and long press on the images that we uploaded here earlier and drag and drop over the blank frames. It's gonna automatically fill the frame. Repeat this process until you fill all the blank frames with your images. After that, you might need to edit some of the images to make it look better. To do that, tap on the image that you want to edit. Then on the top left corner, click on this edit image option. Here I am going to crop some of these images, but not only crop, you can add filters, adjust colors, you can do all sorts of editing. Since I have already positioned all the images, so I am going to delete the background template for now to see how it's look on the white background, or if I need to edit any images or not, etc. I think it's look good. Next, click on the text option here on the left side and add text. You can add your YouTube channel's name. For example, I am making this banner for my second YouTube channel, Relax with Corn. So I am going to add that name here, and to change the font style, click on the text, then here on the top left corner, tap on this arrow icon. We have lots of font style to choose from. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. You can find lots of cute and aesthetic fonts. You just have to look for a bit. After you select a font that you like, you can edit the text in all sorts of ways. We have unlimited editing options available here. For example, I am resizing the text first, then changing the color. You can select colors from the color wheel or solid colors option here, or from the images that we edit. Tap on this photo colors option here and you will see auto generated colors from all the images. Next, I am going to add another text to the banner. You can write a message for your subscribers or a inspiring quote, or you can add your video uploading schedule. Like here I am adding videos every Sunday. Now we are almost done with the design, but I think it looks a little bit empty, so let's add some elements. To do that, click on the elements here, then tap on the shapes and search for star, and click on this add a star shape option and change the color of the star shape to your liking. After that, I am going to set that banner template as background again and lower the opacity. Next, duplicate the star, then resize and adjust that star around the images like I am doing here. Repeat this process for multiple times until you fill the whole area with various sized stars. Not only stars, you can add other shapes as well. But don't make it too crowded and make sure that the stars don't go outside the line. And again I am going to delete the background template. Here you can change the background color by clicking on the color wheel option. Next, after some final adjustment, it's ready to save. And as I showed earlier, to save, click on the share, then tap on download and again click on download. See, it's saved on your gallery. Now let me show you how to set YouTube banner using your phone. I am doing this on my tab. You can do the same thing on your smartphones as well. Open YouTube app, then click on your profile, then tap on view channel, click on the pen icon here, and finally tap on this camera icon on the top right corner. Then choose from your photos option and select image that we created earlier, this one. Then adjust the image to fit the screen. See how this image fits perfectly. This middle area will show on every device, and we have all the text inside this area as well. See, looks so cute, and this is how it looks on portrait mode. This banner has 10 photos, and I created another similar looking banner with 11 images, this one. So the images are smaller than the previous banner. Let me give you all a closer look. Let's go back to that Canva project and quickly create another banner. First, duplicate the whole project by clicking on this icon here. Then delete all the previous photos and set the banner template as background. Then lower the opacity. Just repeat the process that I showed earlier to create that banner. Next, I am going to upload a new image. This one is my own drawing. Instead of drawing, here you can use your photo. Just remove the background. And then same way, I am going to edit this banner as well. Just the same process as earlier. I want to make this text look curvy this time. To do that, tap on the text, then on the effect, and here on the curve option. Adjust the effect to your liking, and I'm also going to curve the second text as well. After you're happy with the design, delete the background template and save it by clicking on this share option. And this is how the second banner looks. Now let's see how it's look on the YouTube app. See, it's perfect. Hello, this is the next day. Yesterday I forgot to film this part. Anyways, so let's say you want to change your banner with some recent images related to your YouTube channel, but you don't have time to create a brand new template. In that case, you can go to Canva app, then click on these projects. Here you will see all of your previous projects that you created. Click open one of these projects and upload all the recent images that you want to put on your banner and replace them with the older ones like I am doing here. First go to uploads and upload the images like so, and then just swap those images with the previous ones. Same way, save this banner as well, and this is the final look of all of the banners on tablet screen and on smartphone screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay hydrated and eat well, sweetcorns. Bye bye.
From above, everyday would seem turning into love song.